What is a masterpiece? Is it created by nature or by hand? Is it a product of time or technology? Does it soothe the senses or provoke thought? Ground you or transport you? A masterpiece improves the lives of all who experience it. 3M DI-NOC Architectural Finishes bring you the beauty of hundreds of natural elements to inspire your masterpiece. Create a stunning new space, quickly, easily, and sustainably. Or breathe life into an existing space, almost overnight. With non-porous surfaces that aren't just beautiful, but easy to clean and maintain. DI-NOC combines art with advancements in science, so you can capture the natural beauty of the most majestic stone or the world's finest woods. Use 3M DI-NOC Architectural Finishes to create your masterpiece in little time and with little disruption, without sacrificing a forest or your creative ideals. There are no boundaries, no limits. Create your masterpiece. Learn more